Hello students, today we will discuss about section 8 chapter 2. Chapter name is Fundamental Concepts and today's our topic is what is nationality? Explain the factors of nationality. First we will discuss about meaning and definition of nationality. Nationality is the feeling of psychological, spiritual and emotional oneness among the people having several common ties. And it is a sentiment of unity, a common mass consequences which result from several factors like common history, common culture, common traditions and common political and economic aspiration. Now according to Bryce, a nationality is a population held together by certain ties like common history, common language and literature and the like. Now factors of nationality. First point is geographical contiguity or common territory which is regarded as motherland. The people occupying a definite territory which is regarded as their home or motherland naturally develop a sense of unity and oneness, and it is a source of common identity for the people. Now second point is racial unity. Community of race or common ethnicity constitutes one of the strongest bond of unity of the people, and several scholars give top importance to this factor of nationality. Now third point is common history. Common and shared living for a long time and sharing of ups and downs of life always gives rise to common traditions and a sense of togetherness. Now fourth point is common culture. By the culture of society we mean the habits, traditions, customs, understanding, symbols and orientations of the people towards their environment and the objectives around them. Culture is transmitted by one generation to the next. Now fifth point is community of language. Language is the means of expression of one ideas and feeling to others, and all social relations and interactions involve the use of language, and it is the medium of expression, communication and mutual intercourse among people. A common language ensures regular, free and frank expression of views, and it helps the people to understand each other. Now sixth point is community of religion. Religion has been a universally present features of human life in all parts of our globe, and it has been a factor of deep influence at all stages of human history.